Hi, on this video I'm gonna show you how to use TimeEdit. First, you have to go to Time main page, click to Studies, roll down, Timetables of Lectures. As you know that TimeEdit is a tool which you can see when and where the courses are delivered. Remember to change the language in here, English. You click to Time Public Timetables. There are 4 options that you can choose to see your timetables: by your group, courses, teachers, and classrooms. I prefer seeing my timetables by timetables of my group. For example, my group is IB 17B. You type in here and it will show the result in here. Click to the result and show the schedule. In here, you can change the month, the start date, and the end date of the period that you want to see your schedule. For example, I would like to see my schedule from 1st of September to 1st of December, like this. And as you can see in here, there's some pauses, and each pause will show you the studying name, the teacher, and very important thing, the room where you will study at. There's one thing very interesting in that if you are using MacBook or iPhone, iPad, you can also subscribe the schedule with the period that you choose in here and subscribe. Now your timetable is on your devices. Thank you for watching.